Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Honda Civic radio. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the accessory or on position. Then, simply press the power and volume knob to turn on your radio. You can adjust the sound level by rotating this same knob. If your radio displays code after a battery reset, you will need to enter a 5-digit security code using the radio's preset buttons to unlock it. Next, let's set the clock. Locate and press and hold the clock or menu/clock button until the time display begins to flash. Depending on your model, you will then use the selector knob or specific preset buttons, often numbers 4 and 5, to adjust the hours and minutes. Once the correct time is displayed, press the clock or set button again to confirm and save your new time. Now let's program your favorite radio stations. First, select your desired band, either AM or FM. Then, use the tuning knob or seek function to find the station you wish to save. Once you are listening to your preferred station, press and hold one of the numbered preset buttons, typically for about 2 seconds. You will hear a beep, indicating that the station has been successfully saved to that preset number. You can usually store 6 stations per band. Finally, let's connect your phone via Bluetooth for hands-free calling and audio streaming. Start by ensuring Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device and it is discoverable. On your Honda Civic's radio, press the phone button or navigate to the settings menu and select Bluetooth. Choose the option to add new device or Bluetooth device list. Your phone should appear on the screen. Select it and confirm the pairing code on both devices to complete the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.